Hello everybody, today I am going to show how to use Google Classroom in Android devices. So I have not downloaded, so I first go to Play Store and search Classroom. It's number 1 step. Number 7 step is I have to install this app. First step is to install that app and edit. Second step is to go to Chrome and search classroom.google.com. Now here I will show how to create a class. It's a full tutorial, so I will show the whole classroom program. Now go to classes. So I am deleting this class. This is no need. I have to active past and then I can delete. So press on the plus button and create class button. Now you should click here. I have read and understood the above notice and I am teaching just at a school university with students. Just click. Now you have to use the class name. Now it is an introduction class to everyone. So I am creating introduction class. Not writing sections of the room. Now it's creating, maybe take a few or more seconds. Now this class is made. Now I have to select a theme. Now there is many themes. So I like this theme. I am uploading this theme. The theme is uploaded actually. Here see, theme uploaded. I have to again place on my class to open and edit. It's opening. Now it's opened. Now I will show how to create a classwork. So go to classwork and press on the create button and there are many things: assignment, quiz assignment, question, material, views, post, topic. So I want to first make a topic. The first topic is paragraphs. Now I have to add this topic. Adding. I want to add on another topic to show poems. Now I want to create an assignment. Now this assignment name is My School Poem. Now I will write here. This is you can assign it to the students. So it's a poem. So I want to add it to the poem topic, and I can add the link also here. A YouTube link, a file, a Google Drive link. I will create a document, slide sheets, drawing forms. If I press on this forms button I can create a form. Now here I came to the form page. So here I can attach the form. So if I edit that form, it will be attached. The next is you can add the link of a form. You should paste the link and it will be added. Now here you can edit points. Now you can give a date when it will be assigned. Now you can give a topic. I want to give topic poems because it is a poem. It's only an introduction. After all, it will be deleted. It's only for introduction to the YouTube viewers. Now I am assigning this. So assignment created. See this assignment created in the poems, and now you have I have shown that how to make an assignment and edit to a topic. So now it's a quiz assignment. It will be a quiz. So here I can make a blank quiz form. So here form comes and you can hit on the form here quiz. Now if something it's a question, so I am only introduction the now here the blank quiz. Now quiz only and it will be updated. Now here it form will updated. Now I no need to add this part, so I deleting. So here you can add title, which quiz is this, introduction optional, and then maybe poems. And if it's a poem, the topic is poem, then you can add again it to poem or paragraph. So now again I have shown how to create a quiz assignment that I have not created, but I have shown. Now there will be a question. It is a one question thing. Now here you can add students can reply to each other. Students can edit an answer. No, students can't edit an answer. Students can reply to each other. Now here it can make a short answer and multiple choice. So I am giving a short answer and a question, how many days? Now here is a question, and if I add a quiz link, then the quiz will come here. I can ask here. Now if I press this button, then it will be asked. Now it's asked, so I am deleting this because it is no needed. Now here I can create another material. Here is the material. Now if you are here, I can add many things like a poem and paragraphs, so they can see and copy in their copy. So now I have shown how to create a classworks and topic. Now go to stream, and here you can out of the if you want to announce something out of the all classworks or maybe in the classwork, so you can add here, and here also you can add a link. Maybe in introduction if you taught it on that, the announcement will copy it. Now no need to announce it. Now how to invite people. I am teacher. I am Surya Sarkar. I am the teacher. To invite. Now this is the invitation link. I can copy and paste. The link is copied. I can copy and paste it to any sharing app. Now another is that you can copy the class code, or you can copy the invitation link or copy the class code. So, or you can copy, tell the class code to every your students. So, if they are into this class, they will come into this class. Now go to class settings. So there is the class settings. You can edit everything here. Class description, session room, general, invitation codes, invitation link. I can edit this class code. Mark calculations. You can edit all things. So yeah. Everyone has know that how to use the classroom now. So, bye all the viewers, and thanks for watching. Please like if you have helped and like this video. Please press the like button and subscribe this button. So and press the subscribe button, so you can get many videos, and press on the bell button. Okay, so bye all of you.